Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to flip text on Canva. So for this, firstly, we need to add our text. So let's add any text here and then adjust in the frame and resize it. Once the text is adjusted, now if I click on these three dots on the top right corner, so there we don't have any flip option. So for that, you need to click on this share button and now click on download. So once the image is downloaded, now here in the left side we have the upload section. Click on upload and now go to upload files. Upload the image that we just saved and it will take few seconds and upload it here. Now click on add page and here we have the uploaded image. Adjust the size here. So once the image adjusted, now here on the top side we have this flip option. Click on it and then we have two types of flip, that is horizontal and vertical. So in this way you can flip text on Canva. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe us. Thank you for watching.